want to see how to untangle one of these? Do you ever have these? And you're like, oh, it's in knots. It took me a little while to figure it out too, but it's pretty simple. Look, so you use more than one hand. You have to use more than one hand. That's the trick. So you take this, grab 2 of the loops, go like this, and start pulling up. Look, like this. Okay, and then you see those 2 loops again. Don't just drop this. You can, right? But remember to hold that knot tight and hold that knot tight. Now you have those 2 little pigtails. Now look, feed them in like this, up. Use your fingers like that. You see? Because if you don't, they're just sliding themselves like this. That's all that's happening. And you're getting that knot, and this is what's happening. You're like, ah, what happened? And then you go to try to undo this one, and then you undo it, but you're like, another knot. And then you're like, how do I do this? Well, do 2 at once, okay? It's simple. I'll do it again. Flip it back over. No. So take this, down to these knots, start pulling up. Work it around there, and pull up. Okay, then do the same thing with these ones, okay? You got your pigtails, pull them up with 2 fingers like that. You see? It's much easier. It's the only way I figured out how to do it. I don't know.